Good evening, everybody. I'm Shipendu Verma. I used to study in CS Oil and Gas, and for the past 4 years, I have been exposed to a very different kind of culture in academics. We all have the pattern is a teacher comes, they teach you, you have to follow a certain book, and you have to give your exams. But in UPS, my program, which was in affiliation with IBM, was very different. And along with the general books, you were given different slides. There were faculties which were trained by IBM. Then there were people coming in from IBM and training us. And there was a very different kind of exposure that we got, and it was really, really interesting. If you look at the industry perspective, we go to in the various industrial tours, and an industrial tour wasn't anything different because we've already witnessed that kind of an atmosphere, whatever is being practiced in the industry has been taught to us in the classrooms, and that gives us a very big plus point. Now, apart from academics, UPS has a very you can say, cultured. You've got people from different parts of India, from the north, from the south, and we've got a very different culture in terms of teachers also. We've got teachers from the south, from the north, and that actually teaches a person a lot about life in general, about academics, and what we have to expect in the industry is nothing. It's nothing alien to anybody. It's like a crunk of everything has been given to you in UPS, and I think life in UPS teaches you a lot of things apart from academics. It teaches you a lot about